Hi, my name is Don LaPlume, and I'm the President and Chief Visionary Officer of Mobile Connect Systems. And I'd like you to join me on either February 28th or March 2nd for an online workshop about business online visibility and credibility. Why is this important? Well, I'm going to tell you real quick. Actually, I'm going to tell you by asking you a question. Are you currently advertising for your competitors? Now, you probably said, no, of course not. That's what most people tell me when I talk with them. And let me tell you why I ask that. Because over 50% of businesses today are literally advertising for their competitors, and they don't even know it. So the question is, are you? And let me tell you what I mean by that. So you might I don't care whether you're advertising in the newspaper, radio, TV, online, somewhere else. It doesn't matter where you're advertising. It doesn't matter where people hear about you. What's the first thing that they do? They're going to go and search for you online, all right? Unless they're right across the street and they can see you and say, oh, I'm just going to walk over there. If they're not there, they're going to go search online. And think about it. What do, right? You go search online. And so when they search online, what do they find? They find you, hopefully. They find you, not necessarily, right? You know that. And if they do find you, they're finding you with several of your competitors. Well, if your competitors have more reviews, better reviews, if your competitors have accurate information, in other words, their phone number is correct, yours isn't. If they have, they just have more listings that are there online, the odds are good that somebody's going to go with them over your business. Now you might say, my address, my phone number, everything's accurate on my website. Well, that's true. But have you ever Googled your business? And when you Google it, here's what you'll find. You'll find oftentimes that your listing in Google is lower than other listings that contain yours. So in other words, there's different companies out there, listing sites like Yelp and other sites. And what they do is they consolidate all of the different businesses out there, and they optimize themselves to be above your website for a search. Well, did you ever set up an account with Yelp? Now, some of you have, some of you haven't. But that's one of hundreds of listing sites that are out there. Okay, maybe even thousands. I don't really know the number because it's just a massive number of them, and there's lots of different ones for different industries. But it doesn't matter. Point is, you might not have put anything out there, but they've got information about you. They might have you listed there, along with 15 other competitors, but they might have you wrong information. How do you know? That's part of what we're going to teach you. We're going to teach you how to ensure accuracy, ensure where you are, make sure that you have the presence you're supposed to have, that you need to have. And we're going to ensure that you are not advertising for your competitors. So you're going to learn about online visibility and maximizing that. You're going to learn about online credibility, reviews, how to answer those, the things to do with those reviews, how to get the good reviews that you want and that you deserve. We're going to teach you all of that. And at this workshop, I can tell you nothing is going to be sold. In fact, we're going to give you 2 bonuses. All right. Our ulterior motive is that you may look at all of this and say, you know what, I can see how important this is, and I really don't have the time or the interest in doing it myself. Will you do it for us? And our company does. We do a phenomenal job. So that's our motive for doing this. But we're going to educate you. We're going to give you everything you need, and you can certainly go out on your own and do it, or you can certainly engage us, and we'd love that. Okay. But either way, we're going to give you 2 free bonuses. Here are the bonuses. As long as you attend this workshop, all right, and there's 4 opportunities to attend it. As long as you attend the workshop, you're going to get our free visibility and credibility business report. Now, we're going to do this. It takes 24 to 48 hours to generate all the research for this, but then we'll get it to you. And when we do, you'll know exactly where you stand online. All right, and this is not, by the way, about SEO. Do we have information on that? Do we help with that? Of course. That's not what this is about. This is about online visibility and credibility. And we'll even be teaching you about the VCP principle, which is visibility plus credibility equals profitability, and how that's actually built online. Okay. So one of these workshops, well, it's in this email, but you'll see it's on Thursday, February 28th. The first one is at noontime Eastern time. The second one is at 7 p.m. Eastern time. Then we're going to do this again on Saturday, March 2nd. The first one is going to be at 10 a.m. Eastern time, and the second one will be at 1 p.m. Eastern time. That way we can get everybody across the country. As far as California, we'd love to have you there. I would personally love to have you at these workshops. We look forward to giving you the free visibility and credibility report. And we're also, just by being there, we're going to make sure that you are listed on our listing site, which helps you get extra Google juice and extra search juice for your site. And it's a freebie just for being part of this workshop and being part of what Mobile Connect Solutions is doing, Mobile Connect System, sorry, is doing in 2019. So join the webinar, be there, and we'll see you. It will be a fact-filled, packed workshop. So make sure you've got a note paper and pen, and maybe even a second pen, because you're going to use a lot of ink. All right. Hey, have a great one all.